Hey guys, it's
Hey.
Berlin. It is 10 o'clock and we're not going to bed.
Yeah.
We just now got in bed and we're still really wild. So,
Sure. I'm playing with slime, by the way.
yeah, she's playing
fancy nails.
Oh yeah, with her fancy nails.
Look at them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can't even really see them. Okay, we're enough with our nails. Like that's all
Yes.
we talk about.
Okay, we're going to bed. It is no. But
Yeah.
we're going to bed. It is
So,
10 o'clock. Claire, unicorn checkup when we fall asleep, okay?
She
doesn't know how to fall
She's not. Yeah, she doesn't even know how to do unicorn check. Okay. Peace.
Bye.